This is Motorola Edge 40, and today I will show how you can set up and use the nearby share option or function on this device. So firstly, I recommend that you enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth networks, then open or expand the control panel, find the tile that says nearby share, here it is in my case, open its page, and now in order to activate the feature, you gotta simply toggle this switch on. From here, you can rename the device if you want to, of course. Okay, there's something going on with my Google account. Oh, okay, never mind. So let's say I'll rename it to Tests Edge. Then you can manage the device visibility, turn it on, off, and make it as restricted as you want. And finally, you can change the data or network type that will be used for the file transfer. From now, everything is set up and ready to be used, So let's say I will try sharing the screenshot I just took and see how it works. Alrighty, so as you can see, the picture was successfully transferred, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.